Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage content preferences on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Do you ever scroll through your Instagram feed, swipe through Instagram stories, pre-use the Instagram Explore tab, or watch Instagram Reels and decide you don't like of any of the content you're seeing? Whether it's because your friends aren't showing your feed, you don't enjoy a specific Reels creator's content, or you suggested Explore posts don't interest you, are not alone. You can manage content preferences on your Instagram feed. First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. As you can see, here's my preferences, content preferences on Instagram. You can manage by tap on your profile. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can scroll down. There is suggested content. You can tap on that. So here you can manage your content preferences. You can see your interested posts, interested content here, the list that interested content. These are posts that you said you were interested in the past 30 days. When a post is removed from this list, you may see fewer suggested posts like this on Instagram. You can also see your not interested content here, but I don't have. You can also manage specific words and phrases here. You can also manage your sensitive content. You can control how much sensitive content you see from accounts that you don't follow. Sensitive content doesn't go against Instagram community guiltness, but reverse the topic that some people don't want to see, such as curtain, violence, or drug, or something. You can manage if you want to see more sensitive content. You can tap on more, choose on more, or if you want to see less, you can choose less. So you might see less content about topics that some people don't want to see, such as sexual subjective content or some violence. And this affect content from accounts that you don't follow in Explore, Reels, Feed, Search, and a hashtag page. And here you can also manage your political content in here, likely to mention government elections or social topics that affect a group or people and or society at large. You can manage in here. If you want to see you want to limit political content, or you don't want to limit political content from people that you don't follow on your Instagram. And this also affect suggestion in Explore, Reels, Feed recommendation, and suggested users. So in this feature, in this menu, you can manage content preferences on your Instagram. So that is how to manage content preferences on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.